Yes, friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk about conjunctions. Okay, so let's start. Here we go. The sun rose, the fog disappeared. Okay, the sun rose and the fog disappeared. Okay, so we have to use and conjunction here. Okay, so how to use the sun rose and the fog disappeared. The sun rose, okay, and the fog disappeared. Okay, we used and conjunction, right? Raju went to college. Ram went to the market. Okay, Raju went to college. Okay, Ram went to the market. So Raju went to college and Ram went to the market. So we used and conjunction here, right? Next, we will talk about both and. Both and. Okay. He is a fool. He is a knave. Okay. He is a fool. He is a knave. So he is both a fool and a knave. Okay. First of all, our question. Okay. He is a fool. Full stop. He is a knave. Okay. So he is both a fool and a knave. He is both a fool and a knave. Okay. She works in a factory. She manages household. Okay. She works in a factory. She manages household. Okay. So we have to use both hand. Okay. She both works in a factory and manages her household. She both works in a factory and manages her household. Okay. She both works in a factory and manages her household. Both and. Okay. Next, we will talk about as well as. Okay. So let's talk about as well as. is honest. Her sisters are honest. She's honest. Her sisters are honest. Okay. So we have to use as well as conjunction here. She as well as her sisters is honest. Okay. Now she as well as her sisters is honest. Okay. We have used here is. Okay. Because whenever we use as well as conjunction, okay, so helping verb will come according to first subject. Okay, according to this subject. Okay, and our first subject is she. Okay, so we have to use is. Okay, we will not use are here. Okay, she as well as her sisters is honest, right? So Ram is going to Jaipur. Okay. His brothers are going to Jaipur. Okay. Ram is going to Jaipur. Okay. His brothers are going to Jaipur. Okay. So Ram as well as his brothers is going to Jaipur. Okay. So once again, if we use as well as, okay, helping verb will come according to first subject. Okay. Right. Next. We will use not only but also. Now, not only but also. So our next conjunction is not only but also. Okay. He was a poet. He was a dramatist. Dramatist. He was a poet. Okay, and he was a dramatist. Okay, so he was not only a poet but also a dramatist. Okay, what? He was not only a poet but also a dramatist. Okay. Next, games are good for the body. Okay. Games are good for the mind. Okay. Games are good for the body. Games are good for the mind. Okay. So we have to use not only but also. Games are good not only for the body games are good not only for the body but also for the mind. But games are good not only for the body but also for the mind. Okay, it is not only but also. Okay, next we'll talk about either or. Okay, so next conjunction is either or. Okay, sit here properly, go away, go away. Okay, sit here properly, go away. Okay, so either sit here properly or go away. Either sit here properly or go away. He is a dishonest man. Okay, he is a liar. Okay, so he is either a dishonest man or a liar. Okay, so he is either a dishonest man or a liar. Okay, next we will talk about neither nor. Neither nor. Okay, next conjunction is neither nor. Okay, he is not a dishonest man, he is not a liar. Okay, he is not a dishonest man and he is not a liar. Okay, so he is neither a dishonest man nor a liar. Okay, he is neither a dishonest man, okay, nor a liar. Okay, next. Or as otherwise. Okay, or as otherwise. Okay, run fast, you will miss. Okay, run fast, you will miss the English period. Okay, run fast, you will miss the English period. Okay, so run fast, else you will miss the English you will miss the English period. Okay, or she must work hard, she will repent. She must work hard, she will repent. Okay, so she must work hard, otherwise she will repent. Okay. She must work hard, otherwise she will repent. Okay, we can use here or, okay, else, okay, or else otherwise. Okay, or else otherwise के अर्थों एंड प्रयोग में कोई अंतर नहीं होता. राइट. नेक्स्ट, nevertheless. Nevertheless. Okay. Next conjunction is that nevertheless. Okay. I was ill. I appeared at the examination. I was ill. I appeared at the examination. Okay. I was ill. Nevertheless, I appeared at the examination. Okay. I was ill. Nevertheless, I appeared at the examination. Okay. So, friends, we talked some conjunctions today. Okay, we talked and, either or, neither nor, as well as, or else otherwise, nevertheless. Okay, so I hope you must have got knowledge. You will enjoy this video. Thank you very much.